Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel where I get a little everything Jamaican. I am Michelle and with me is my husband Marcel, and this morning we are visiting Mas Nevi. Mas Nevi! You laugh after we? Yeah, so we forget you. Morning, how you do?
Morning. Mas Nevi.
Oh God, you want that to say that me go to church, you want me here.
No, if you actually want to hear and I hear that by your head.
You say, if me turn Rasta, you know. Yeah, till you say, don't let God. God, oh, this man,
so they can't trim you?
nobody, you don't know, say. Oh God, if I don't be one man, you don't know who me the magic man. You don't know that already, man.
Busy Mas Nevi, busy. Because guys, this morning the plan was for us to come and continue to do some work on Mas Nevi's house, but here we are and we are not seeing the gentleman who is working on it. The plan was to come on Sunday. Yes. Sunday didn't work out, so we planned for today, so he was to come before us, but when we arrived we realized that he's not here. We're trying to call him and not getting through, so I suspect that his phone is not working, and so maybe that's why I didn't call us.
And everything come.
Everything is here.
Yes.
Yeah, but when we were supposed to come on Sunday, he had to postpone with us because the rains, and he's also a farmer, so he was planting the seedlings.
So she didn't talk about farming video.
Yeah. That's the last time when we were here. So him not get to come today, so we don't know what happened, so we have to go check. But the door is here. The windows are here. Everything is here. Except the manpower. The capping came.
In Christmas they coming.
Yes, because when we were going down, guys, because we had ordered the door and expected it to come from when we were here, but then it started to rain just before the Christmas holiday, and then while we were on our way down, we saw the van coming up with the door and the windows, and then the capping would have come after that, not too long after, but we've been so busy and weren't able to come until now, and still we're here today and no housework today. You know, but we're glad we still come. We had to come and see you.
Oh God, man, see me wonder say, oh God, what happened? But me I say, yeah, that's
make you not call we.
Me, you don't know, say me don't have no phone and petal, no. I'm going to petal me that beg to call me and petal. You know? But me no can't, me no really pick and choose everybody to call, you know, man.
Yes.
You have to personal somebody, you know what I mean?
Yes.
Hold on, let me take a call there. Yeah, brother. Yeah, man. Yeah, you see them my yacht? No, man, yesterday I did my strong my yacht. I did yesterday, daddy.
I think I'm a belated birthday, man.
Yeah, man, thanks.
Yeah, too.
I accept gifts, you know.
You know that, man.
Yeah.
Seriously, I'm today, though.
Don't swear.
Tell it to them, though.
Yesterday, Papa.
Yes, man. So everything good, though?
Yeah, man, everything level.
You go out yesterday?
Go to bad sick. Go to bad sick.
Whenever I said go out.
No, you said go out. When people go out, that's sick, they sit and they go out.
Okay.
Yes.
So like you're an artist, man.
Yeah, not an artist, but entertainer. Yeah, but.
So all things back now, you know, everything good on me.
Well, things are coming on, you know, but you know, it take time, you know.
Take time, take a little time, huh?
Yes, man.
Everybody alright.
Everybody bless.
It is right.
Yes, man. Yeah, man. Where they work?
No, it's a very chill. It's a little moment. I'm going to the next what time now? So it was reaching by 2 o'clock.
Oh, okay. Yeah, man.
Supposed to do some operation and you later part idea.
Oh, okay.
Let's go and put one and two things together first.
Yes, man. Let me link you back here.
Alright.
But if I'm live.
Yeah.
Alright. Yeah. People say, but if I'm live. Alright, Mas Nevi.
Yes, sir.
So what you say happened to you now?
No happened to me no, but no, me no soon I say.
You afraid when you not see we?
Oh God, I
What you
know.
afraid for? You don't have your grade and I play?
You know say it a play, but I like when you see the time I know.
Oh.
Yeah, but if you're ready to play enough, if anything happen to you, not here.
No, that happen to me. Me I say me no for anything. That's me now soon or so and so.
Oh.
You know.
I just cause we're busy, man.
Yes,
busy.
Me I say boy, how we deal with you know.
Yeah. But see we come now this morning.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
One thing me not fret me still, you know. Me I say boy, me I look say boy, me soon run out of gas, and me I say boy.
Oh, you know, say you soon run out of gas.
Drink too much tea.
No, I know that, but for a long time, I me have sure the pants, but you know, run down it, but me I look.
Oh, light.
Yes, ma'am, but me I say boy, me happy, you know.
But you know, so you can call me.
Yes, me know that, but
If anything.
yeah, man, me know that, man. You know, say we no forsake me.
No, man.
Oh God, why me say it, you know?
Yeah. I want your finger like something burning there.
Yes.
And your little finger here, so.
Oh.
Yeah, I want to it.
Hot oil burner?
You know, so much you want ticks over it. Yes, ticks. You go find it. I'm cheap. Yes, right here. So yes, that ticks.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, picky.
Yes, alright.
Don't put the skin.
Right, that's true. Yeah.
Alright.
Thanks, fix soon.
Yeah, thanks to Siri. Alright. Alright, so Mas Nevi, we bring some things for you this morning.
Yes.
Right? So we have an anonymous donor and she's always sending things for you.
Yes, ma'am.
So, and there's just something ironic about you because every time you talk about your guests and something, you know, she comes. There she comes.
Yes,
so anyway, she donated and she wanted us to buy your eye drops.
Yeah, oh God, man, God.
Yeah, which we did. See it here.
Oh God, God bless you, man. Come here, say, me no have it and me ask so each child if take if collect if me say he can't go if you stand up for the whole day in the line for me.
Then something that take time.
Yeah, take time for true.
That's what she says. So
Take time.
me have to give me give way and to say up to this moment I say God, I have me left everything too. And up to where the man I tell me say boy who God bless no man can curse no so matter what I mean what myself.
Yes.
I'm glad for this man. Glad for it.
Yes, man, you're more than welcome. So she also asked us to buy your groceries, which we did, and she sent some money and said that it's to replace your gas when it is finished. So you don't need fret because once it's finished, then
and you know
you
say
can replace it.
You know say what me have me it goes you know you know what you know but you know what I might think man.
Something.
Yes,
Salting.
and that are the problem you know what me have grocery.
But you don't have no fridge.
Because you know,
fridge, you know.
yeah,
So
yeah, so you have
Always
to,
I go run out.
yes,
because you can't eat so much and no more tin food.
yeah. You see what I mean, man. So
Yeah.
it are the problem.
Yes.
What me have all the rice.
You still have rice?
Yes, man.
No,
I
we bring
flour
you
still.
more.
Sound like you not use them, so.
Sometimes me mix the oats in over to
Yeah, no bother with the cooking.
Cooking, yeah, man. But if you say me eat rice today, I mean, I like it. It I go along for the week. So
Yeah.
for me have oats now. We mix the oats and me have any crackers and some bread, you know. Me go on. But
Yeah, so that's why you have the rice. And
Rice.
so we bring you more rice and something.
Yes.
But the better you have it,
No,
because just in
yes.
case you run out of oats, we have oats as well.
yes, man.
Yes,
Yeah.
all right. So we want to say special thank
God
you
bless
to
them, man.
that donor. We're not finished yet, Mas Nevi. All right, so another donor now, Mas Nevi.
Yes,
oh,
ma'am.
Lord. Okay. Another donor who came to Jamaica.
Oh, God.
We went and met up with her in Christiana,
Yes,
and she
ma'am.
gave us this bag for you.
Yeah.
And your name right, Panny?
And your name, the Panny.
Nevi.
You think say God now work on?
Yeah.
Mas Nevi.
Yeah. But you know, say all my suit, my
Right,
jacket
pretty
suit,
and neat too.
my jacket suit, me did have it in a two-way wet up. And it tell me so wet up, and me hang up it in there, you know. They take it away, you know. The suit, I say, you know how much socks we used to have. Right now, me know how more one.
Maybe I Melissa take them up.
That's when the house.
No,
that's when.
remember say if Melissa take me away, man, you just see the road the house. Nothing no blow away in the house, man. Remember say me have all the umbrella and say umbrella. Nothing no blow away.
But the suit gone.
Suit gone.
Well.
That Melissa love and she take.
Yeah. Maybe I want it. Maybe blow him as
No,
because a lot of persons have
if
zinc.
it blow, must be the most hit about the place, yeah.
No,
Yeah,
but
no, man,
what
we
if
never
it?
look for it neither.
No,
There must
son.
enough stuff drop down out there, so you know, we not look under them.
Why? But we did see it, you know. I hang up it.
When that was before the hurricane.
After the storm.
Oh, you see it after the
I
storm.
hang up it.
Maybe we dash them when we are clean up, man.
Well, mate, if you go.
Yeah.
Yeah,
man.
Well,
Maybe at that because
that.
yeah. All right. So this donor, guys, is the same donor who donated the hat and the comb and
It's
shampoo
gone.
to.
Gone. Everything gone. Socks, me now have one pair of socks. Me say, Missy, me have to go beg you one pair of socks to give her at church.
Oh well, she sent socks for you. So like I was saying, this donor is the same person who donated those things for Miss Topsy, the hat and the light and so on.
Oh, God.
All right. So Mas Nevi, this is these are boxers, underpants. Stretch out your hand.
Yes.
1, 2, 3, 4, 6 of them in there.
And I got 2 minutes up. God, I give me a God, man. Nobody really have it.
And see, you have merino.
Oh, my.
Let me see how
Yeah,
much
get
in
back
this.
everything
Let me
now.
tell you how much in there.
Yes, sir.
Oh, 2 for 6. So you have black, white, and grey.
I mean, if you go put them up, good God, tell you what's
We're so weird them stuff.
Yeah, go here, so yes, man. Yes, man.
All right, so Mas Nevi,
I say you don't have no socks.
No,
and see us here you have
You get
socks.
one bag of socks.
Oh, I should tie these together so you don't mix them up.
Yes.
I forgot to tie the
socks,
colors.
no party. See there. Now you know some George socks. You see it?
The socks them gone.
Man.
Yeah. So we have to bless up our donor because these items are well needed.
You know, say God really bless me, boy. I have to serve God more and more.
Yeah, these
Yes.
together.
I have to serve
Pray
that
this
man.
morning.
Every morning and night, man.
That's why you come up here.
Things that me can't go to my bed and no pray for me. A little picnic me go and I sit in my bed.
I want to sleep in a Mas Nevi. I'm tired.
Oh God, no most man.
Yeah.
So you up here pray. We have to come.
No most man. But you know, Uncle, you know me have to depend on party. Not my brother, me can't depend on no brother, none of
So you
them.
have to depend on it too.
So these are your
When me
socks.
be happy, me say, when time, me no see her again, home me go by me say, Lord, jeez.
That are who, me?
Yeah.
Oh, that's why you're afraid.
Mas Nevi, she named Michelle.
Yes, Michelle.
All right. So Mas Nevi,
Yeah.
see I have 2 nice shirts here, cotton shirt. Feel them.
Aye. You know, maybe what shirt got, what shirt got, one shirt got
A church.
I mean, if you take off the shirt from the sleeve, I tell you, say,
You dirty?
dirty. A good thing, somebody did have one short sleeve shirt and the other hit. So me take off it now and have all the short sleeve shirt. But you know, so me I bad me not.
You can never see.
Bad.
Oh,
And
man.
I say, well, the shirt don't tell
Yeah.
me. A petal me carry. I will me carry go give petal Monday.
Oh, fish wash it
To
for
wash
you.
me. Yeah, I mean, I can go
Okay.
for it. Yeah. So you see me get to me, I'm no
Yes.
can't put beer. Go
I
back
see
at
and 2 nice jeans pants, black and blue.
Jesus,
All right.
God.
Hey.
All right, so
PSA over there.
Yeah,
yes.
mother fight, man. God.
All right, so let me repack them for you. In the meantime, you bless up the donor and tell the donor thank you.
Oh God bless you, no donor. God bless you, no man. No store bastard. I tell you, no say, you can never empty man. From me get them as in here, man. And when me did well, what them, you know.
Yes.
To the sax man.
Stop and cry, man. Stop and cry.
God, man. Good. Thank you,
All right,
Father.
and we bring you water too. You hear?
Yes,
Stop
man.
and get one jug of water. All right, and the groceries over here, but we soon pack them out for you.
Yes, mothers.
All right. We soon pack them out because I think Marcel is going to trim you.
Oh God, I hit no more. Yes, man, but you saw me hit that.
And we want to use this opportunity as well,
Yes,
Mas
ma'am.
Nevi. We have to always pick up all our donors
Oh, God,
who
man,
have contributed. The house is not yet complete, but we thank you very much for your contribution.
God bless
because
you, no man. I started the man asked me to me turn Rasta now, man.
You never trim your Mas Nevi.
you'd be a ballad Rasta.
You know,
And I want my from foreign, you know.
foreigner.
I give you, I get that ticket from foreign, come give me.
Where's stick?
This stick where you see me have there.
When you were going down the road?
No man, this stick where you see me have it near walk read.
Oh, me not know it.
Let me show you.
When you done trim your show it.
It's more important than to look on the stick.
Did you know the stick? You know it, man.
Put on the head. It's the razor blade we cut you.
You know the stick, miss. God.
Yeah, like a packy head.
That's why your man don't need worry afraid, you know.
I don't know if you worry afraid.
For me, I say, anyhow, me no see you. Anyhow, me no see you. For me, I say, might be busy. Me no say I'm busy.
We're busy and we have some personal things dealing with too. So that coupled with, you know, whatever else we had to do, just take up a lot more time.
Saturday, man, I have to say, oh God, sir.
They were asking us Saturday, say what?
Say, me I turn Rasta.
Oh.
Them say no, Baba, they gonna fire. The Baba just forward.
We just tell him, say, well, me don't tell him, me don't say, too late gone.
Too late, God.
Yes,
That's the right thing, man. They don't want no light.
You know that? You know that, man. God will bless you, no, man. Me I tell you, say, no get blessed for nothing. No get it for this, man. Me know that.
Yes.
Yes.
So you're bald, Mas Nevi?
No?
A bald head ain't trim. You
Yeah.
know, see head top shine.
Yeah.
Like you used to wear a bald hat.
No, a pan when me used to keep bowl bottom pan, you know.
Oh.
For you know, road spring for one part me there, man. To carry the water from this so. Go give me father and my granny. You know, say my granny did almost around 20 years now. And I week me see me dream see me no. And never dream see me and did me I say I'm dream see me auntie and me never dream see me granny and I week I me dream see me granny come turn upside down.
You shut upside down for run away, rebuke her.
Yeah, see look there. No, so maybe he must take care of me too.
They can't take care of
You old people them take care of you, no?
you. Which part?
Make anything happen to you and you answer if you old people them say anything can
You
go
don't
on.
know that.
Yeah, you time there. What by your people them take care of you? When you don't know.
They take care of me when they're alive.
No, when you dead they around you.
When who dead me?
Them, they spit around
When
you.
you're dead.
They around you, man. You don't know, still there. They don't left you.
They figure along about them business, don't mix with the dead.
Me no mix with them, but sometimes they protect you. What you say? Sometimes danger, sometimes danger in your way.
I got a protection. So that's how I'm not dead. They're dead already.
I tell you, I'm not glad for nothing, I'm glad for me here, everything. I'm just every first.
So we can take back everything we carry from and just
Oh God. Whoa.
trip better.
Oh God. I mean, no like you over here for me, you know. Me never used to it.
All right, so Mas Nevi,
Yes,
before I forget, we have a donor.
Yes, ma'am.
She always donates to the channel. Her
Yes,
name
ma'am.
is Blessings.
Yes, ma'am.
And so she has a relative in Belgium who has contributed also to your building project.
Yes, ma'am.
So we want to use the opportunity as well to say thanks to
God bless
Blessings
her,
and
man.
Blessings' relative in Belgium.
Oh God. This thing can't stop me.
They can't stop you.
Nobody now try to stop you. Mas Nevi.
Never say no. They may not tell me no first that we not tell say. They might get man. If we come fix the house. I'm supposed to be a bit man in the man, you know.
They that come man, actually we come before them.
Eh? Oh well.
You don't believe so?
You say, oh well.
You must know.
Anything you say, Mas Nevi?
Yes, all who makes it, all who name must all know me, no one of them go.
Nothing. Here, so we are fixing man, so they're not gonna come.
Well, too far. One of them really come and tell me, say they never come back. So, but me tell them, say, me have already, but me not, me. Yes, I know.
And to Mas Nevi, we had a donor who wanted, well, it's not hard. We have a donor who wanted us to buy you a fan, a solar fan.
Yes.
But we can't find no solar fan.
But then you could have buy a solar fan.
Yeah, we can't. We still a work in progress. I texted her to let her know nonetheless. So we'll see how that goes.
Then you can't get one. You can't get something man where can roll with the run off.
Same thing like the radio.
Same thing like the radio, that type of fan, but we can't find it yet. So you know you wouldn't have to plug it in to charge it. It was the sun, but we can't find none yet.
Okay, son.
Yeah, man, that's why it's named solar.
Then I thought we must be even putting that the sun, you know, keep one while.
Yeah, but you can't do no better now. Remember, say you not have.
I don't know work if me put nice sun.
Yeah.
Make it work.
So at least you get something out of it, you know. Because for now you don't have no electricity, so you have to make do with, you know, the solar things. Yeah, come together real nice, Mas Nevi.
Well,
so Mas Nevi start.
They can't call you no Rasta again.
yeah, man.
Mas Nevi could never have one bigger head than that, you hear?
How I couldn't carry it.
Perfect head size for the body.
Well, me say for me no see you come to me. But you always say you come to me. If I no see you come to me, I say boy, something wrong.
So picture me today. I'm going to come for work on the house, so make it share.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Wrong man.
Well, maybe I say if you work out, because maybe if you were working on the house, you wouldn't get to the trimming.
No, why you so busy?
Hi, Teeny, how you do? Are you down there, sir, chop? Are you a chop down there, sir? What you chopping? What you chopping? Stick.
Are you have cow over the thing? Are you a cow? Give me some of my milk, huh? Some of my cow milk. Some of my milk where you get from the cow. You don't get, so you don't try to get it. You see it? You don't get none. Don't try to get it, you don't get none. Yo, Teeny.
You watch that Teeny keep saying, like you know here.
Here, original.
Up
here lonely, Mas Nevi.
Yes, man, I'm a wonder you're from it. You can't get a drink and work on trail. Yeah. Everybody fits it. Yeah, sorry for that, you know.
Everybody say you say something about them carry come here support her. You do. Because you're not going to know it.
Until you come and say, no, find me, man, I'm going to sleep me there. No else.
I should just give one bossy boy, you know?
Around.
Give him one style.
Around.
You want style? You want to shape up you make it round and pretty, so? You want it, so?
And how you are do it, pardon.
I go like I say, I'm going to carry it.
I tell you, say, man, I took me place so poor for boy, nobody could hold at the place but you.
Yeah.
I tell you, man, nobody.
You don't want no woodland?
I know that if we have cow. Yes.
You don't want no woodland? Which land are no woodland, eh?
With a cow party, you think that nobody could have taken this up? Yeah, cow, we could have raised you on there. Yeah. Good place to raise cow, but I was to say you don't have the time.
No, sir. Are you that people look after them?
I say, I'm never sick.
Can't manage.
Then if I'm sick, me and around them, daddy. They know well.
Too far off the road.
You know, say, me I tell you, say, no, that's so far, but I just want to think the day. I walk up the road, the walk up the road, the protocol road, the man if you cut out, if you come content, and the man no cut it.
So if you cut out, that be one nice place, that's true?
Yeah, the gosh,
so we're going to cut out here, we take up your house, go put them over the fear here.
Then you know, almost. But a nice place, I walk up the place where you see the rich neck, very day now. Cut out with this cup and content with this, you know, both a chain a road, you know.
That chain not long.
You know, some of the no long road.
Hold up your head.
Oh, that chain. Now, when the mayor man have to people na fee for my to cut out the place to go in farm. To go in farm. The government to be the party.
Oh, them dog here come
This is a good barber.
No, oh God.
Come, I want you to hold up your head and I tell you to hold up it. When me go a barber, then just push over my head, so.
Yes.
And fling it around, so.
Fling it around. I told you, heart spinach here.
Yeah, that's what you don't talk to it.
No, sir.
Mas Nevi chair can spin. Hello. Dog, I can't look food.
I mean, I tell you, I want to get rid of them. Me have my water in and I have to cup and when me listen. And the dog have me mouth in and drink water out of me and drink water.
In the house?
In the house, see the bucket, I have to put this.
Yeah, Mas Nevi say dog have his mouth in there. So now mouth you have to use drinking water, Mas Nevi.
I bucket, I have it, you know. And I bucket, I have it. I will hear the dog. I go do some hear from the dog holding them some mother the water.
Oh, no.
So you jump them full of water, Mas Nevi?
No rain fall from you, listen, man. No rain fall.
No, man, rainfall.
No, sir.
No rain fall of it?
No, sir.
Maybe you're asleep.
The squall. Oh, God, they look for the jump out there. I'll zinc in there. The two of them. No rain. Bali for you too.
And do you know careful, man?
No.
How will you do your sergeant?
Which part?
Will you clean off the mustache?
Yeah, clean off the one.
You want everything off.
Look everything when we did with it, man.
And then hit around some of the rocks.
Mas Nevi, you remember that little table that we brought you?
Yes, sir.
You use it?
No, no want to sing people in the hand.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. If anything, when I put something in, I put it around. I know something we put my hand on.
Just to hold in your hand.
Yes, ma'am.
When we brought the toiletries for you and the sanitizer and so forth.
Yes, ma'am, I have it.
Yes, because the donor who donated that from Spanish Town, we didn't get to post that video because we had some technical challenges when we came and we just didn't get to pull it off. So just want to say thanks to her.
Yes, ma'am,
Yeah.
this man.
Yeah.
Yeah, this man. Like, we are doing man, have it.
Yeah.
That's right here, my boss.
No, man.
Yeah, I drive it for.
Straight razor.
Afraid there is a bit cut here.
I'm just cut, you know.
Are you cut here? You may have it pan.
Yeah, Mas Nevi laugh and get cut it out.
Quick trim, I get
No
it.
more, man. For me, I say, if me back, I say, cut off, you know. You don't look alright.
My head back.
We had the whip here, man.
Oh, here, not the head back.
Yeah.
I say you change your mind and about the locks.
No, listen.
So how long this a hairstyle ago?
You know, remember I said after last year, this I go keep now till August. Yes, you know have to worry again till August again.
Okay.
So long.
Yeah.
I mean, I make anybody to me, family, they are turn about, I make to me here. When they are turn, then can me go about. When me there, then a Spanish town, me go with them, my guy, they ask him, I am to me. Me no want to know bad to me, but Baba.
Don't know Baba.
Yeah,
Ali Baba.
you could have, you born Baba shop, you know? You could
Yeah, so the barber and Mas
Then the
Nevi.
most man, let me know one.
Keep me not love the one place too long.
Ah, yeah. I hit with me balloon to make a train either.
Mr. Rock, a Christian, I know.
Then the most man, me know, so. Yes. Yeah, you see.
First man, me trim my hide and trim him. Couscous, big up yourself. Couscous. Big up yourself, I first one me trim. Me hide and trim in a bush, you remember? Alright. That bush me hide and trim you know.
Couscous with a.
But new.
Yes.
I use this broken glass buckle and use it and shave it.
That a road man, brother.
Yeah man, that's how we used to do it. Hide and trim him.
Yes.
So why did I have to hide and trim him?
Then people
And
make.
the person when they make trim, I never know how to trim.
So you don't want when they spoil it, no, say you.
That me used to put barbering for the veranda, you know? They used to trim people.
Mr. Green son. Me yes, I ask her dead too. I couldn't get lower road.
Not very yet.
I say, my man didn't better they used to spar him.
I second I grave digging, second on next month.
Man, that the brother used to spar, man, I tell you. Yes. All about comfort and used to over there with TV and all them brother.
You're that in my general.
Yes, man, God bless you for the man.
See some hair upon your ears.
God bless you
I
for
feel here, man.
Oh.
God bless you.
I saw me cut out there one. I make you look like a strong man.
Something bro. Bro enough.
Oh, son of a
No, man, you want to shape up, man.
What do you say enough? Shut your eye.
Yeah, do it so much. You got plenty. No one cut it too much.
Alright.
You that.
Yes, man, God bless you for
You have alcohol, Mas Nevi?
Yes, man.
Was it later here?
Yes, man. Yes.
When you go in later, you use it, but I use the antenna port.
Me no mind of he wasn't turn up. Yeah.
Alright.
Yeah.
You check Mas Nevi John. You can't believe so water.
No, sir. Check it. No water.
None you not get?
No water.
Okay. See your water, yeah,
Give me
Mas
the one to
Nevi.
drink. Oh?
Call it. The zinc.
Oh, you have this to drink.
Yeah.
This have to drink.
Drop down my jump.
Oh, that's why I not get none.
I so, but as the breeze blows, so.
It blow over.
And it drop down. Yes, you all feel better now. Your head feel better.
The head feel light.
Oh my.
The heart a fit.
Yes, man.
Alright, guys, so this is it.
This is it, man.
Yes,
God
so-
bless you, nobody. God
Yes.
bless you, man. God
So
bless
this
you.
look like a weekend.
It
Yes,
seemed
ma'am.
that way. So we
Yes,
have to
ma'am.
find out from the gentleman,
Okay,
you know,
okay.
when again or, you know, what happened so that he wasn't able to make it today. So you'll see us soon again, Mas Nevi.
Yes, man. Yeah, man.
Alright, so guys, this is where we end the video for
Yes,
today.
man. God bless you, no.
Bless up to all our donors. Thank you so much for always supporting. Thank you for helping us to help Mas Nevi.
Yes, man.
You know, we
No,
pray that
no
your
one.
store baskets may never be empty.
No, nobody but nobody. They tell us I have no one but them.
Oh, okay, yes. Alright guys, so this is where we end the video for today. Thank you so much for making it a Likkle Everyting Jamaican. Blessed love, stay safe, and bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Enough respect.
Enough respect, man.
Fans.
Yes, man. And no worry, what? It went this year,
Oh,
Yesterday I did my birthday and I'm a
oh wow, I was just about to say before we go.
Happy
'cause-
birthday, man.
No, happy belated birthday.
Belated birthday.
No, can't give me.
Love.
Man, I laugh after
Love
me,
is the
man. You never
greatest.
give me that for a long time. You can't give me
No,
One love again.
No, that more, make it more and
Give me
more.
something new now.
Make it more and more love again. Love it more and more new, yes.
That is the answer.
Yes, man.
Turn David. Love is the answer. Love is
Everybody
the
there say they drink somebody liquor.
Yeah.
You don't drink liquor.
I don't drink that. Drink nothing with alcohol night no bar.
If you drink a Jagan, then that's no nothing.
Or something. Alcohol not for drink.
Jagan?
You're not for drinking.
You can mix it now, all of you have.
Like oats and stuff.
Yes, and carrot and all the things that you put in them, man.
Marcel, I forgot to pack out Mas Nevi grocery.
How many food pan them Mas Nevi?
You know if you can, got to go to you. I under this one, whole packaging thing, everybody say all the rice, so you give me still one of them still in there.
So you have to use all the money you all and get.
But you know what happened now? Me have to go eat some peas, me look like rice and peas. So, yeah, we'll get some peas.
Yeah, that happened to you thinking I jump.
Yeah, it shift
Yes.
again.
Yes, because
Mas Nevi, I look for the food pan.
We have to call them from Mas Nevi.
yes, man. They may have me that I use.
You know I use?
Yes. They say a flour and the
There's no
melon.
food in there, man.
You know, so me I tell you,
Mas Nevi not cook then.
you know how they cook. You know how they cook. That's what me I use. So you can put them in there now. See all this, yeah? See, I want to pass off this rice.
Flour and the rice in the same way.
Yeah, this rice, I mean not to use it. This rice.
Make it steam, just rest the right now.
Yeah.
Put the rest of stuff in.
But the salting is the problem.
Yeah?
You know, that they could have keep me on next week.
This one.
While left in there, but we don't have no salting. So let me get the salting.
The Mas Nevi come out first.
Come on, maybe.
Me show you. We'll stick with me that tell you.
That's all.
I just made that show me speak.
Oh, the walking stick. Okay, okay.
The man did tape on.
Oh, the one who say you turn Rasta.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Well, Lindsay say you trim now.
Oh, man.
Now see, you had too big for your head now.
Yeah. So you never bring no hat.
I hear that.
We not bring no hat.
So it's socks, you know? Everything in this.
Everything is in there.
All right.
Mas Nevi, a bull line or something.
Give me one of the bullets if I'm man. You know, say, yes, I'm going to go say, I'm going to go cook. If I'm man, I'm going to drink some tea.
Oh, you never eat anything?
No.
So oats in there here
Yes,
and last go.
all right, man.
10 mil.
Yes, well,
Yes.
tell me how I'm listening to me no worry cooking, no?
Yes.
The last go. And sugar.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Sugar is in there too.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Some man never eat nothing. I mean, I say, but you can follow your mind sometime, you know. I mean, me get a water, but no cook rice.
And you can't get up.
Which my lady can't find all of this.
Oh yes, right. So our anonymous donor as well from Clarendon. That's in Morant near Grantham, where we went and she gave us some food items to distribute. So Mas Nevi would have benefited also from the distribution. So we just want to bless her up as well. Yes.
Mas Nevi pan then I said to you, yeah?
Yes, sir. Yeah, ma'am.
You take up it?
You will take it up? Or?
No, ma'am. It's all right, ma'am. Me to put it, ma'am.
Yeah. Alright guys, so this is right.
I see water beside it.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, he put it there. And where you put the eye drops?
Yeah, me just now.
Okay.
You like them to watch what I do that time.
The water they're not clean.
Yeah.
You like them to that time.
Alright guys, so this is where we leave it for today. Much love and blessings. Must have a mouthful. Alright, so until next time, blessed love, stay safe, and bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye, ma'am.
All right.